Welcome to the Central University of Haryana, one of the youngest central universities established by the Act of Parliament in 2009. Entering into the 11th year of its establishment, the university has earned the reputation of an emerging academic force in National Capital Region. Continuously expanding the academic horizon, the university now offers 61 academic programs in 34 departments organized into 11 schools. We have been accredited with A grade by NAC. The 488-acre lush green campus in the lap of majestic Aravalli Hills is home to about 2,700 students and about 200 highly qualified world-class faculty. We have representations from almost all the states of India amongst the student and the faculty. The university motto is Vidyadhanam Sarvadhan Pradhanam, meaning knowledge is dearest of all treasures. The university has been lucky to have visionaries like Professor Moolchand Sharma, Major General Ranjit Singh, and Professor Ramesh Chand Kohad as its first three vice chancellors. The university campus shifted its temporary campus at Government College Narnaul to the main campus at Jantpali Mahendragarh in 2013. Our university has grown from strength to strength in terms of number of courses offered, faculty, and students enrolled in various courses since our inception. The current trend and the emphasis is on skill-based courses so that students become future entrepreneurs is one of the priority areas of this university. The university is running 3 vocational courses under Deen Dayal Upadhyay Kaushal Kendra for realizing the Skill India mission of Government of India and thus enabling people from nearby villages to learn profitable entrepreneurship. Swami Dayanand Saraswati Chair has been established. Its main objective is to propagate Swami Dayanand Saraswati's vision for social reform and impeccable character. In this information technology age, every citizen needs to be digitally literate. All our students are exposed to new technology by way of smart classrooms, fully Wi-Fi campus, with internet availability 24/7 at 1 Gbps speed, both in classrooms and the hostels. Our library is providing a rich collection of digital content such as e-books, research journals, magazines, reports, encyclopedia, reference books, theses and dissertations, etc. The library is fully automated. All its holding is available at click of mouse. All special lectures are telecasted live on university website for benefit of everyone. The Fit India program of Government of India has been implemented in the university. The students and the faculty are encouraged to take part in morning and evening yoga classes. The students actively participate in various sports activities. Cycling and walking to work is encouraged. Healthy and nutritious food is served in hostels. Well-stocked gyms are available for girls and boys separately. The infrastructure complements the environment of fruitful learning and teaching. We have approximately 500 acres of campus. 80% of this area is lush green. The concepts of green building are followed in construction. Environment-friendly buildings are energy efficient and aesthetic. We are keen to protect trees, vegetation, and bird habitats in our campus. The university is having its own nursery in the campus. Water harvesting facilities there and artificial lakes are created to develop natural ambience to attract the birds. Other infrastructural facilities include 100 kilowatt solar power plant, sewage treatment plant, 3 electrical substations, banking facility, post office, shopping complex, transport facility, residential complex, separate girls and boys hostels, university guest house and university health center. 3 new academic blocks and 1 administrative block has been constructed in the university recently, also a helipad for VVIP visits. All the classrooms and faculty rooms are air-conditioned for comfortable learning. Seminar halls are available on every floor for special lectures. The university sincerely aspires to be a center of excellence in cutting-edge research. All schools have multidisciplinary approach with focus on applied part of learning. The university is encouraging the students to take up research projects regarding the local flora and fauna. We are keen to solve the problems due to stubble burning in the National Capital Region. The largest proportion of Indian population is employed in agricultural sector. We are determined to pursue the research aligned to the local problems and issues so as to increase the profits in farming and thereby having an everlasting impact on the quality of life of this region. We have started a tradition of inviting local farmers and entrepreneurs in all our special lectures and conferences so that scientists and farmers can collectively discuss the issues bothering them. Central University of Haryana is established with also a far-sighted vision of developing this area. The university has adopted 10 villages in the vicinity under the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan of Government of India. The university fraternity keeps on organizing various awareness activities for the upliftment of local natives, such as Swachh Bharat, blood donation camps, science exhibitions, etc. This university is running a school named Abhilasha in the campus for educating the children of the laborers working in the university infrastructure constructions. A new tradition has been started by this university to grant degrees in convocation in traditional Indian attires, a deviation from colonial past. The students of the university organize various cultural activities, festivals under the guidance of experienced faculty members. Central University of Haryana represents a mini India. As the students from all over India are studying here, unity in diversity is reflected in CUH. The students from different states celebrate their festivals in the hostels and campus. Everyone actively participates in such celebrations. These celebrations, whereas widen the students' exposure, also increase the cultural harmony among all. The most beautiful part of this campus for the students and parents is to look forward to is the serene atmosphere, natural beauty of the campus, bird sanctuary-like feeling, everlasting view of mountains, best air quality index in the NCR, secure environment, unity in diversity, and teachers on a mission to make you the brightest of the all. Jai Hind!